Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a non-stick pan. And it's from this brand right here, Misen. So for this brand, they actually make a lot of different high quality product ranging from like knives to stainless steel pans. But this time, like I mentioned, we do have the non-stick pan. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright. So when we open up that box right there, you guys can see there's another box inside right here. And we see right here, they mentioned how it's a 3-piece Misen Nonstick pan set. So they basically provide an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and also a 12-inch nonstick pan on here. So you can see right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. About each different layer that's on here that makes the product high quality as well. And see in the bottom right here, they tell you guys what kind of like stove top you guys can use it on. But let's open this up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So it's all well packed and everything. But let me just put this down first and then take each one out to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so first thing we see right here, they provide you guys a piece of paper to show you guys how to make the product and how to use it. So they provide you guys a bunch of do's and don'ts in terms of how to actually maintain the product. But right here we have the first pan, which is the 8-inch. So you see how the product is all nicely wrapped right here. But when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely feel the high quality material inside. You can definitely feel that non-stick material on here. And if you guys flip it to the other side, this is basically what the bottom part looks like. And for this part right here, if you can see the way how to design this part right here, these actually stick together really well. So you don't have to worry about the product breaking anytime soon. And then for the handle part option right here, if you guys want to take it out, you can definitely take it out really easily as well. But definitely love the material that they use on here to give you guys a very good grip. And also makes the product really cool when you guys put your hand on here as well. So you don't have to worry about burning your hand or whatever when you guys are cooking stuff on here. And then you see right here to give you guys an option if you guys want to hang on to like a hook or something. But this is basically what the product looks like for the 8-inch right here. Let me actually show you guys the next one. So the next one that we got right here is a 10-inch. If you can see, it's all nicely wrapped as well. But when you guys remove the wrapper, this is basically what it looks like for the one that we got right here. So like I mentioned, this is the 10-inch one. So that's definitely bigger than the 8-inch. So when you guys put it side by side, you definitely see how much bigger the 10-inch one is compared to the 8-inch right here. If I put it inside right here, you can definitely see the difference. But when you guys feel the material inside, it's basically the same thing. It definitely have that non-stick material inside. And if you guys flip it in the back part, this is what it looks like on this side. And basically for this part right here is the same thing. And this part right here is the same thing as well. So if you guys want to take this out, you definitely can. But definitely really nice design to give you guys a very good grip when you guys want to use it. And they do give you guys a hook option if you guys want to hang on somewhere as well. So this is basically what it looks like for 10-inch right here. Let me show you the last one, which would be the 12-inch. Alright, so right here is the 12-inch. If you can see, it's definitely much bulkier and much bigger than the other one. But let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so when you take everything out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this one definitely much bigger than the other one that I just showed you guys, the 8-inch and the 10-inch. And we got the material on here. Definitely feels like a high quality material. And the same thing for the back part as well. If you can see, this is basically what it looks like. And then this part right here is basically the same thing. This part right here is the same thing as well. Definitely give you guys a good grip. And definitely give you guys the option right here to hang it on somewhere if you guys want to. So in terms of the material that's used inside right here, it's supposed to be infused with titanium. And also has like that plasma primer on here as well to give you guys that non-stick material on here, which is pretty awesome. And obviously like I mentioned right here, when you guys use this handle option here, it actually stays cool no matter how hot the pan will get. This part right here should always stay cool and also give you guys a good grip when you guys use it as well. So that is basically everything that's included in this package right here. So they basically provide you guys the 12-inch, the 10-inch, and also the 8-inch as well. Let me just put all of them together to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of what it actually looks like. Alright. So when you guys put all 3 of them together, you guys can see this is basically what the product looks like. You can definitely see a huge difference from 8-inch to 12-inch. And since all these pans are non-stick, you can definitely cook anything on here and you don't have to worry about the product sticking on here. As long as you guys follow the instruction on how to actually maintain the product, then you should be fine. And you don't have to worry about the non-stick coating falling off anytime soon because they definitely use like the highest quality material on here and they give you guys the best price when you guys purchase these, especially if you guys compare this to like other brands. And then obviously if it's your first time using these pans, you definitely want to hand wash it with like warm water and a little bit of soap first to make sure it's clean before you guys use it. But that is basically everything that's included for the product right here. Since they're all the same thing, let me actually just take out one of them and actually test it out to show you guys how well that works in terms of the non-stick material on here. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the pan right here. Let's test it out. So I'm probably going to mix some eggs on here to show you guys how it's non-stick or not. So let's turn on the fire first. So I'm going to let this heat up a little bit first and then we're going to add the egg on top. So when you guys are using these non-stick pans, you definitely want to use like a silicone heat resistant spatula or some kind of cookware. or if you guys want to use like a wooden cookware, you definitely can as well. But you definitely do not want to use anything that's like stainless steel or metal, because that will definitely scratch this part right here. So I'm basically using this one right here from Zule Kitchen. If you guys can see, it's a heat resistant spatula that's silicone material. And like I mentioned earlier, for this part right here, while everything else is hot, this one will all stay cool. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to cook stuff on here. And that way you guys will never have to worry about it being too hot or anything. If you can see how the water just slides off so easily because of that non-stick material on here. Alright, so that should be good. Let's add a little bit of oil on here. And you want to turn down the fire a little bit first, so that way it doesn't splat all over the place. If you can see, even just now, because it touched the water, it exploded everywhere. When you guys try to mix it around, you guys can see how it doesn't actually stick on the bottom of the pan. So if you guys want to stir it around, you definitely can as well. Because they definitely have that like non-stick coating on here, if you can see. Literally nothing sticks on here, which is pretty awesome. So that way, if you guys want to move it around and make egg benedicts, or if you guys want to make omelet, you can definitely do all that on here. So literally when they mention how it's non-stick, it's literally non-stick. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to cook stuff on here as well. If you guys see. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work. So whether you guys want to like stir fry, if you guys want to saute stuff, if you guys want pan fry stuff, you can definitely do all of that on here. And if you guys get like a heat resistant spatula, like the one that we got right here, you can basically just leave it like that. You don't have to worry about burning or anything. And then for this part right here, when we actually feel it right here, it's not hot at all. So when they mention how it actually stays cool, it literally stays cool. So basically the same thing applies to like 10-inch and 12-inch pan as well. So when you guys are ready to serve it, just go like this. And it comes off so easily, if you guys can see. So here we have the final product. And then basically once you guys are finished using the product, you do not want to wash it immediately. You want to put it on one side and let it cool down first before you guys wash it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, you definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. Super easy to use the product, if you guys can see from the actual test. All you're going to do is just add a little bit of oil, and then you can cook whatever you guys want on here. If you see it from the video, the product didn't actually stick on the actual pan. It actually works really well. So whether you want to use it at home, in the office, or if you guys want to use it in the kitchen for your restaurant, you can definitely use this however you guys want to. But definitely one thing to remember is to actually follow the route in terms of how to maintain the product. If you guys don't follow the route correctly, then the non-stick material will not last as long as you guys want it to be. So just make sure you guys clean the product correctly. But other than that, that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality frying pan that has that non-stick material on here. Whether you guys want to make omelets, if you guys want to make egg benedicts, if you guys want to fry fish, fry steak, whatever you guys want to cook on here, that is up to you guys. But you can definitely use this for almost anything on here. So if you guys are trying to look for a non-stick pan that can do all of that on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one, having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.